In today's video, my daughters Brooke and Jessie are working with the Grumpy Lumberjack. They're headed to the bush to get some Eastern White Cedar, then back to the sawmill to cut it, and then you'll see me make a sea turtle out of the cedar. Let's go!
So let me share a secret. You're the reason for this feelings, and anytime you need me, baby, you know how to reach me. 'Cause I ain't going nowhere. I already told ya, baby, when we're older, love's growing bolder. Anywhere the road leads, anywhere we're going, everybody knows that every single moment we are matching signs, and we blur the lines as hard as we tried, but we couldn't find it. You know the angels cried out for you and I when we knew it was right. We are fire signs. Baby, leaning closer, let me love you like a soldier. A soldier loves his country. I'll defend you if you want me. 'Cause I ain't going nowhere. I already told you, baby, when we're older, our love's growing bolder. Anywhere the road leads, anywhere we're going, everybody knows it. Every single moment we are matching signs, and we blur the lines as hard as we tried, but we couldn't find it. You know the angels cried out for you and I when we knew it was right. We are fire signs. I already know what you're feeling. You're needing some sexual healing, and a baby don't need to conceal it. Conceal it. Fire signs. We could go from the floor to the ceiling. You got me down on my knees kneeling. Now baby, just that's on appealing. Appealing. Fire signs. Let the sun and moon align for the both of us. Let it guide our love until we turn to dust. 'Cause I ain't going nowhere. I already told ya, baby, when we're older, our love's growing bolder. Anywhere the road leads, anywhere we're going, everybody knows it. Every single moment we are matching signs, and we blur the lines as hard as we tried, but we couldn't find it. You know the angels cried out for you and I.
Dear Diary, I'm pretty excited today. I am getting another project off my crafting bucket list. This sea turtle has been on there for quite a while. I always wanted to make it on cedar and then wood burn it. Why am I doing a sea turtle today? Today is hashtag Team Seas. What is hashtag Team Seas? Mr. Beast and Mark Rober are getting together with a bunch of YouTubers, and they're trying to raise $30 million. For each dollar raised, 1 pound of garbage will be removed from rivers, beaches, oceans. It's such a great cause. Let's clean up our beaches, people. I have so many FUD moments. FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Trying to keep organized and making sure that my video has flow and rhythm. I want to share that we go to the bush, we selective cut some white cedar, we bring it back to the mill and saw it, and then we use the wood that we saw, we use it for our woodworking projects. When I found out there was going to be hashtag Team Seas, I got so excited. It is my mission to be a better version of myself, to pay it forward, to give back. And it's just the right thing to do to get our beaches cleaned up. Thanks, Jimmy. Thanks, Mark. And everybody that is contributing and helping to get our beaches cleaned up. Let's do this. Whoop, whoop.
We knew it was right. We are fire signs. I already know what you're feeling. You're needing some sexual healing, and a baby don't need to conceal it. Conceal it. Fire signs. We could go from the floor to the ceiling. You got me down on my knees kneeling. Now baby, just that's on appealing. Appealing. Fire signs. Fire signs. Fire signs.
know you go like you know me. Let's run away together, go and live by the sea. Yeah, I know a place and it's pretty far away where we could.
Fud moments. My fud moments. This is weeding. Had so much fun. So satisfying. And then I started weeding this side. But that's not weeding. It's supposed to be reverse weeding on the edges. Because if I don't reverse it, I won't see the outline of the turtle. Took me a little bit to notice that. Had to fix it up a bit. But I think it's overall pretty good. I still have some more dots to go because that's so much fun. Let's go.
Leave tomorrow and be there by Saturday. Well, it is pretty simple, but that is all we need. We would have each other and live off the coconut seed. I know you love the ocean and you love the sun. We could take our clothes off and have some fun, and we'll grow old like two leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand. We'll grow old like two leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand. Shoes and dresses, who needs them when you have your bikini and the clear ocean? And when the sun ain't watching and the moon's out too, we could have some fun in the lagoon, just me and you. Well, we could live happy for the rest of our days. Maybe one day have some kids and teach them our silly ways. Well, they would dance in the moonlight as I play on my guitar, and you can teach them to wish when they see a shooting star. And we'll grow old like two leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand. We'll grow old like two leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand. We'll grow old like two leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand, yeah. We'll grow old like two leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand, yeah. What are we waiting for? We could have it all, we could have it all. When will we let go? When will we let go of all the little things that put our dreams on hold? What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? We could have it all, we could have it all. When will we let go? When will we let go of all the little things that put our dreams on hold? And we'll grow old like two leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand. We'll grow old like two leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand. We'll grow old like